voice is clear? Yeah. Is my voice clear? Not clear? Little low. Shall we start? Okay, so let's discuss Nifty trend. So let's discuss the Nifty trend strategy. Okay, how many trade in Nifty trend? Let's study how many actually trade in Nifty trend. How many trade in Nifty trend? Yes, no, nobody trades. You've come for a Nifty trend strategy. Srinivas, today we marketed that we'll be studying Nifty trend, right? So you don't trade, so then this program will not be beneficial for you. Yes, welcome Kamal Nathan ji. New to Nifty trend in 2008. Yes, I trade. Yes, welcome Shamji. Welcome Uday ji. So today's session, if you do marketing, I don't know, we have done the marketing, I think so, which we did. Want to understand, okay? Anybody else? I want to know, we have about 50 people not received intimation. The marketing strategy, what we have sent to everyone has been that we'll be studying Nifty trend today. So anyway, if you're not interested, because Nifty trend, open interest, Nifty options, how to trade Nifty, how to know the trend, that is what we are going to study today. So yeah, thank you Teji, thank you, welcome. Vivekji, if you're not interested, then want to know, very much interested. Yes, Saniji, welcome. Yes, I do. Okay. Welcome, Sunita ji. Sometimes you trade, okay? No, you can be there, Mr. Gandhi. Most welcome. But today our session will be based on Nifty trend. So if you're interested, you're most welcome. But today our marketing strategy, which we did to everyone was that we'll be studying Nifty trend today. So I hope we are, before the start of the session, we are making it clear. Yes, that is what we will be discussing. So we're just making it clear so that you know that what we are going to discuss, because some people, they come for the session and then we talk of Nifty, so they say that this was not the discussion. So they're just making it clear. That's all. Just making it clear. I want to know, I want to hear. Most welcome, Udayji, most welcome. Okay, so let's start. If you want to learn about Nifty trend, the first knowledge, obviously, if you want to learn Nifty trend, you should have, because you just put the, yeah. So small disclaimer, because whenever you trade in Nifty, there is a high risk. Derivatives is a very, very high risk platform. Okay. So, and because short-term trading in Nifty, it also moves because of very high levels of news-based and many things. So you need to have a very strong heart to trade Nifty, right? If you cannot lose money, then I highly recommend that you should not be actually attending this seminar also, because then you will be excited to trade in Nifty. But this program is for people who have already doing trading in Nifty, who want to understand trading options, who have knowledge of options. The program is for them. Okay, if you have not done it or you plan to do it, please, I am warning that there can be a big risk. Okay, it is our duty to tell you the risk. But there are many people who do trading, so this program will be really, really beneficial to you. Okay, good, very good. Then it's good, Kesri Malji, most welcome. Okay, now, so please remember the disclaimer. Okay, we try to do our best, but please be clear. So first is open interest. How many know about open interest? What is an open interest? Let me see who knows about open interest. I'm aware. Okay, Pankaj Kilani ji, what do you know about open interest? What is an open interest? First, everybody should know what is an open interest. Open interest is not which are existingly on, okay? Total outstanding contract including buy and sell, contract buy and sell, okay? What is the meaning of open? It is a contract open for a future date, maybe a future. Oh, that's the right answer, Teji. That's a very, very good answer. Okay, it's not closed. Obviously, it is open. That means it is not closed. Like in the stock market, we take delivery, right? We take delivery. So the share goes in the demat account, right? In speculation and derivatives, open interest means that we have bought Nifty and it will be squared off on a particular date. How many know how many can write when the monthly clearing, right? When does the monthly clearing start and when does the monthly clearing end? Let's see how many can answer that question. Because if you don't know that question, okay, very good, Pankaj. Thank you. Last Thursday of the month, very good. It ends on last Thursday of the month. Okay, only 3 people, last Friday of month and last Thursday. Very good, thank you. Last Thursday's expiry, only 7 people know this. 8, 9. It's open 3 months, but that's also a right answer, Teji. I really respect that. Okay, about 12, 15 people. So basically out of 66, there is also a weekly expiry. Okay, good, Udayji. Okay, monthly expiry is on last Thursday. About 20 people know this. 21, okay. So basically other 65 people, you have to first know before Nifty trend, before we discuss the strategy, that when you can buy Nifty, if you buy a monthly contract, not a weekly contract, I'm talking from month perspective, you can buy weekly contracts, you can buy monthly contracts. You can also buy 3 monthly contracts, but mostly we are discussing monthly contracts we'll be discussing here. So if you buy a monthly contract on Nifty, okay, you can keep it open till the last Thursday of the month. That means that, Vikash, can you show one day of contract? July contract?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, we are discussing monthly, Nandishji, right now. Can you show them the contract? When does it start and when does it end?
Yeah, in stock, in our Nifty index trend only, or through NSE.
Yeah, you can show in NSE better, na? Let them see from NSE option chain. Yeah, this is what we're going to discuss. We just option chain, because so if you see the option chain, the expiry of monthly contracts, 30th July, So there are different expiries. Okay, so 30th July is the expiry. So what is the meaning of open interest? So if I buy, today's 22nd, so if I buy Nifty futures or options, I can keep it open for 30th July. I can keep it open till 30th July. On 30th of July, it will get squared off. That is the meaning of open interest. That means how many people have bought Nifty and kept it open. That is the first meaning of open interest. Okay. So now let's go to the second part. Yes, that's correct, Rupaji. Thank you. So why open interest is important? Okay, let's study that. So there is a data which is given by NSE. Open interest, who buying, who's selling. So F2s are a very important player in open in Nifty option, Nifty data. Okay, so every day foreign institutions are buying Nifty and foreign institutions are selling Nifty. So that data is available every day. That data is sent. How much are they buying? How much are they selling? Okay. Then there are pro. Who are pro? Pro are arbitrage houses who do trading. The proprietary traders who do arbitrage, they do algo trading. They do second wise jobbing, selling strategies. So there is a huge group which does proprietary trading, which is the pro. Okay. Then there is D2, which are the mutual fund domestic investors. They are not allowed to participate. They can only hedge, but they cannot speculate. What is the meaning of hedge? Samjhe they have a stock of Reliance and they have many stocks of Nifty, 7-8 stocks. So rather than selling 7-8 different stocks, they sell some Nifty, they buy certain put options or sell Nifty. So usually, and they don't trade, they're not allowed to speculate. And obviously number 4 is the general public. So what we have seen is in the data, what we'll show is, and this all will get squared off on 30th of July. So usually we have done research on about 4 years of data. 4 years of data is about 48 months. So we have data for about 53 months, 4.5 years, where clients have always lost money. And pro and F2s have always made money. Clients have always lost money and pro and F2s have always made money. Are you able to understand what we are discussing here? So the general public is always losing, and usually general public, okay, in general public is always losing. Why are they losing? I'll show you. Because they work with news and sentiments. Whereas pro and F2, they work with they have a much knowledge and higher knowledge. So when they take a position, they usually make money. Okay. So it is a general understanding. There are obviously few customers who understand the market and they behave properly. So there are certain customers or client base who make money. But generally, when I say generally, we are talking of 80 to 90% of the clients always lose money. 10% of the customers who follow F2 and pro, they make money. Right? So this has the trend. Next slide. So we'll go step by step. So if you have any questions, you can ask. Anybody has any questions? Mitesh, I don't know who's Robin Traders. Mr. Mitesha, who's Robin Traders? They don't seem like general public. They seem like proprietary traders to me, Mitesha. Robinhood in India or where? You're talking of the American company Robinhood. We don't discuss all that, Vivek Joshi ji. We are not teaching you news-based trading. Talking of India, Robinhood, who's the broker? I don't understand. Robinhood, are they brokers, not brokers, proprietary traders? They don't come under general public, huh? Yes, that's correct, Mr. Minal Kanti Datta. That's correct. We don't give you any teaching on news-based trading, Mr. Vivek Joshi. If you want to learn Nifty trend, open interest, that we can teach you. We can't teach you open interest. Yeah, so basically, Mr. Tej Singh, the options data of India is 50 times bigger than Singapore Nifty. I can show you. The trading in Nifty, show the difference of trading. See the difference of trading, the future trading and the option trading. 49 times bigger. So options data is the most powerful data. It gives you the trend. Futures data doesn't give you the trend. Okay. So what we are showing you is option data. Robin traders are newbies who open new account, 35 new lakh accounts opened. Who is this? I don't understand, Mr. Mitesh. I'm very confused. Can you send me their website link? Whom are you talking about? 35 new lakh account opened. I don't understand, Mr. Mitesha. What are you discussing here? Tell me, please send me the website link. Okay, let's, Mr. Mrinal Kanti, let's study. We are here to study Nifty option data. Okay, so I think so. Let's refer to your question. You know, in our market, 25 new lakh accounts are opened. Yeah, and out of 25, 22 lakhs are losing money, by the way, Mitesha. Okay, that is because somebody has to lose, somebody has to make money. Okay, only 2.5 lakh is making money only. We are here to discuss the option data here. Okay, so let's come to the point here. Let's come to the what we are teaching you. So this is the option data which we study. So we have this data for 4 people. Okay, so every day NSE releases this data. Next slide. Next slide. NSE releases this data, and now what we request you click on the phone on this, because we'll go to the NSE site. We'll go to the NSE site and we'll show you where is the data coming from and how do you interpret this data. So this data comes in this format which is down. Okay, so please click and then we'll take you to NSE data. Let's go to NSE data.
Yes. Product, equity derivative. We'll come to product and then equity derivative.
If somebody can go step by step, we can take you step by step. Huh?
Then we have to scroll down a little and click on historical data.
Historical data.
Archives of daily reports, search.
Archives of daily reports. Search.
Archives of daily reports, search. Participant wise open interest.
So participant wise open interest.
We can take yesterday's date, 21. Get data. Participant wise open interest is 4th last option. Get data, select date and get data.
So this is the data available for all general public. It is not a exclusive data for me. This is the data. So what is the data you get? You see D2, How much share they have bought? Let's do it again for Mr. Pankaj Kilani.
Okay.
Okay, we'll again go to again, we'll show everybody. So you can see.
We have to open Nifty NSE website and then have to come to product.
Can you
Equity
let Mr. Pankaj, have you come to products? Yes, can I get a yes? Yes, I am. Then you go to equity derivative, click. Again, yes. Say why, say why. So we know that you've gone to yes, good. Now collect historical data. Please say why. Yes, good. Then go to archives of daily reports, search. Can I get a why? Yes. Then go to participant type, fourth last option. Can I get a why? Yes. Now put the yesterday's date and get data. Did you get it, Mr. Pankaj? Got it. Thank you. So this data is available for everyone. Okay, open. So you will get this data. Okay. So first you will get future index long, future index short. How much? This is open position only, by the way. This is open position. It gets updated every day. You get this file after 6:30 to 7:30 every day. On Thursdays, sometime it gets late at 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Anita ji, okay? Every day it gets updated. So now the research starts. This has taken us 5 years. Even if you have the data, you can't do much. You will not know anything about this data. How to interpret this data is what we are teaching you now. Now this is open interest till yesterday evening. Okay. Now what we did research on future, what are the data? If you see future index long, future index short, future stock long, future stock short. Okay. Then option index long, option index. Okay, these four, and then you have stock long, stock long. So I hope how many understand. Now what we have done research to save time, the line which is there, which I'm showing you right now, option index, because we have to, this only works. The rest other data, we found it does not work with the trend. We have already tested it for 5 years. Only this works, rest doesn't work. So we only take this data, but this goes with the trend. I can get trend with this. So I delete all other data. I don't see other data because it doesn't work. So I'm deleting it. So this is the only data according to us, which is very, very good. Rest data does not give me the Nifty trend. And this data is more accurate because most of the trading, the highest trading happens in this options contract only in India. The highest trading. So we have seen that this data is the most important data. We get many data, right? We have deleted those data. We only find in our research that this data is important. You can try other data also and you can do research. But I'm sharing what I have found out so that you don't spend time wasting. I spent 5 years doing this data every day. Right? Now, what we do is, I hope you understand what is call long. Who can say what is the meaning of call long? Call long is Teji or Mandi. Let's see who can write. Okay, very good. Mr. Tej, very good. Bullish, very good, very good. Teji. So we'll put Teji below. We'll put Teji. Good. People who don't understand this, this session will not be very useful to you. Okay, what is put long? Mandi or Teji? Put long is Mandi. Okay, good, very good. Mandi, 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 bearish. What is called short? Mandi or Teji? All short is Huh? Call short Teji. Mandi. Call short is Mandi. And what is put short? Teji. Huh? Mandi. Somebody is writing opposite. So basically what we do is we will try to make a net plus minus, and we'll try to do the net. Did you get the net figures? Did you get the net figures? Volume, in terms of volume. Number of contracts, volume, notional, yes. Mr. Tej Singh. Did you get this net figure? Pankaj got it. Srinivas got it. Amit got it. Very good. Did you get the net figures? Yep. Yes. Show formula. Very simple formula. Plus minus, Mr. Neil. Plus minus. This is the formula. Whatever we written. दोनों तेजी को प्लस कर दिया, दोनों मंदी को माइनस कर दिया, नेट पोजीशन आ गया. Kunjan Gupta got it. I got it. Yes. So only 10-12 people have got it. Rest, you have to practice more. We are trying to make it as simple. Is it simple? I can't go to the lab again, Mr. Anupam. You have to see the recording. Is it simple or very difficult? Simple, right? So now we have the data. And see, the position will always be 0. Now if you see, market is going up and the client is minus and the pro is plus. Now you may ask, how come, D2 always has the minus position? What is client and pro? I told before what is client and pro. Can I get your name, Mr. Dell? What is client and pro? Again, show them what is client and pro. This is the meaning of client and pro, Mr. Dell. If you can put your name, please. If you can change your name so I can refer you by name. So clients are general public, pro are proprietors. Does that answer your question? Can I get a yes from Dell so that we can move forward? Does that answer your question? Good. Only one. What is client and pro? We had discussed this before only, that NSE gives data of 4 categories. They give data of F2, pro, D2, client. Yes, correct, Mr. Tej Singh. That's correct. Okay, Mr. Dell, now clear, right? You understand, Mr. Dell, clear. So we get data from 4 people, then we make it how we go forward. That come to the data. So this is the net position. Can you please tell the Excel sheet again? Shweta, what do I tell you again? This figure you want to see again. Can you show the formula to Shweta? Plus minus. Plus is, you understand call long, right? I hope you understand call long. Do you understand call long, Shweta? If you don't have knowledge of options, how many columns when we download? So which columns to delete? Okay. Mitesh, again. We'll show you again. I know we have done everything, but this data works. They may be hedging. We have checked all those, but we could not get, when we tried to combine all the data, but we could not get to the, एक बार उसमें आ जाए विकास.
इसमें
data available, show them all the data.
Yeah.
This question is very relevant, Mr. Tej. एक बार पूरा data दिखा दे. Mr. Tej wants to see all the data. Which
Yeah.
columns we download and delete?
Yeah. This is the downloaded data.
So this is the downloaded data which we receive. So we delete future index long because again I'm repeating that we did research on all the data. We combined the data, but we could not get the Nifty trend. We got the Nifty trend only from option index. This is the research I'm sharing with you. Mitesh, does that answer your question? What are we deleting? So we are deleting future index long, future stock. We are deleting that. And we're also deleting all stock put everything. Up to that, I got it. Now, what is your idea? Mitesh, now can you see the data for 4 things? Up to that, I got it. What next you want? Now what I've done is Teji Mandi, again do it. Yes, this is the combined data for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Correct, Shivam? This is the combined data. And these are contracts, by the way. Huh? These are contracts. First 4 columns are only kept, others are deleted. No, we kept the middle 4 columns. The first 4 column is deleted, last columns are deleted. We only kept the option index data. That's it. Okay, so we get the net position. We get the net position. I mean, first 4 columns. We only keep these 4 columns. Yeah, so we will teach you. This is what we are going step by step. People are asking questions. So I cannot go to the next step because they still have questions to this data. If I take them to the next step, it is not going to work, Mr. Tej Singh. So I'll tell you the interpretation. I'm going towards step by step. Okay, thank you, Mr. Murli Krishna. Well, let's go ahead. So please check call long plus put short, put long plus call short, net of all. Yes, correct, Anupam ji, correct. This is the net data. Okay, so this data is available every day. You can just take a picture. This data is available on our website every day. Go to the website, Vikas, now. And the position always has to be 0 because somebody bought, somebody has sold. What we have seen is it starts working with trend. So now can you see the data? What was their total position? F2 was minus 3287, correct? Because Pichla just goes, come back together. Go back again, show them 327. Can you see this figure? Minus 3287. We have put. Yes, it does. It does. That is what we are showing. It does. But it's not so easy, Mr. Tej. There is a lot of learning. Go step by step. Did you see that 3287? Have you understood? Yes, Pankaj Kilani. Good. Next, see the client data, D2 data, pro data. See all the data. We have put it. Where this come from means? Mitesh, your questions are pretty irrelevant. I showed you where it came from. Where this come from means what? I didn't understand. On Value Stocks app. Can you put him on line? I don't understand his question actually.
Yeah.
Mitesh, I'm not able to understand your questions. Sorry. Where this came from? I showed you where it came from.
Yeah, Mitesh, you can speak now.
Yes, this data is available for free.
Hello.
Where the exact? Yes.
I'm asking on value stock at where exactly there is FI data.
And value stocks app.
Where exactly is this FI data?
Okay, where? Vikash, go step by step, Vikash.
Okay.
You have to be a customer. You can't see a data if you're not a paid customer. But you can go from
I am
here.
a paid. I'm a
But if
paid.
you're a paid customer, see FDC Nifty trend. You're on this page. Go to Nifty trend.
Okay.
Click. And you
Check
come to the
data.
data. That's it.
On check data. Okay.
Clear,
Okay.
not clear? Mr. Mitesh,
Okay.
clear?
Yeah, I got it.
I got it. Yeah. So 3287, Pro is 117795. Client is this. So they don't have Mr. Tej Singh. Let's continue with today's data, Mr. Tej Singh. Let's study this. Study one thing. If you have too many questions, we will not be able to complete the, okay? Conclusion. First, go. Don't hurry, Mr. Mukesh. I'm showing you slowly and gradually. Did you get the data, right? Now I'll tell you how to first interpret this trend. Now open the app. Yes, it is both, Sunita ji. Nifty and Bank Nifty. Yes, Sunita ji, that's correct. It includes Nifty and Bank Nifty. So how do you interpret the trend now?
Nifty trend again in app.
Nifty trend in the app, if you click, this is how you interpret the trend. Okay, so this is the first trend. So we'll go step by step. So F2 and Pro is 114508. If you are a paid customer, then only you can see this. D2 data not important, Mr. Gandhi. D2 data not important. Again, research. So what we did was we took the data, whatever was not important, we kept deleting that, Mr. Gandhi. So whatever is working, we are showing that only. Okay. So this Nifty trend meter tells you that right now the market is becoming very greedy. Right now the market is becoming very greedy. So see, they go to the eye mein dikha do, Vikas. Just repeat what is in the eye.
Market is getting greedy, fueling more buying and raising prices to excessive level. There is a chance the market can reverse.
Okay. So if you see, yesterday this was given, yesterday evening, and today you saw the market was already doing a correction, greed. We are already showing that market is greedy. So market may reverse. I was already showing it, interpretation. Mukesh, you wanted the interpretation, right? So interpretation goes here. So once we have the data, then we put the data, and according to our research, we are giving that the markets may reverse. No, this is done by me. It's a proprietary thing Mr. Pankaj Kilani has done by me from my research. You will not find this anywhere. Okay, so wherever the trend meter moves, according to the data, you know where what is happening. So this is the trend meter, what we did. Now, please understand one thing, very, very important, where you will make a lot of mistake. Now, when this trend changes very quickly, so we have the data for yesterday, right? How do we know we can predict the data in for future? This is both. This is Nifty and Bank Nifty together. इसमें Nifty and Bank Nifty trend दोनों लिख दे बेटा.
Okay.
Just
Okay.
write Nifty and Bank Nifty trend together. This includes Nifty and Bank Nifty trend together. Yeah, trend meter, what has happened yesterday. Now the question is, this gives you some idea where is the market right now. So market is showing that the market is already overbought in Nifty. This, please use this for only Nifty trading. So if the market is overbought, So will you teach us to interpret the data ourselves without using the VS app? Yes, I'm showing you. So if you see, if the contract F2 and Pro contract is more than 1,25,000 contracts, then already we are in greed, 80,000 contract. Between that period, the market is a buy. Above minus 1 lakh, we have a sell bias. So we have already given it. So you can take a picture and you can actually write it down, and then you can interpret it yourself. This is my interpretation of data. And this is only 65 to 70% correct. I'm repeating to everyone, it is not 100% correct, my friends. This is only 65% correct. Can I get a yes so that it is under recording? This trend meter only gives you 65% correct data. Can I get a yes? There is nobody who can make 100% data, but you get some idea what is happening. Nobody can give 100%, Mr. Murli Krishna. If somebody tries to make it 100%, then they can become God. Could you repeat the levels, please? The levels is there. You can take a picture of the screen, Mitesh. You can take a picture on your mobile on the screen. Zoom in kar de thoda sa.
हाँ.
I'll zoom in for you.
Yes.
थोड़ा zoom in कर दे, हुआ नहीं अभी तक.
Zoom in नहीं हुआ. Maybe. नहीं हो रहा है zoom in. Actually app है ना.
Not able to zoom in. This is the maximum we can do. Okay, go to the next step. What is the next step you want, Mr. Murli Krishna? So this gives you an idea what to do between greed and extreme greed. What was the sign when market going to correct? We just have to take into consideration data for Pro and F2s. Yes, you have to just take the data. It is quite visible. If you go near the computer, it is quite visible. If you're on the mobile, then it's a problem. So what we did was we collected the data and we put the data on a back testing tool. Okay. So we wanted to improve the percentage from 65. So we created a new strategy Nifty, which I want to show you in the app. So we have a Nifty trend strategy. So we back tested this data to make it about 80%. So we used artificial intelligence. So we realized that we tried to give 1 or 2 calls a month only, not much. That can we predict the data better? Okay, you can come to the website because it was too slow.
Yeah.
M. Kumar wants the eye. Can you click the eye for him once?
Yeah.
I'll click it for you, Mr. M. Kumar. You can go step by step.
Nifty trend. Eye.
Eye. You can take a picture of this if you want to. Yeah, you can do your technical indicator. We are just using this data right now. So maybe you can increase the percentage with this data and technical indicator. You can make it better. Mr. Kesri, many people are using this data and using their ideas and combining it. So they are able to get better strategies, what I've heard in the market. This data helps them that what is happening to Nifty. Okay, let's go to the data.
So where we can get this data, Nifty trend index, in forward in forward tested stock list, we will get this.
We have a strategy. We'll show you what we back tested.
And the name is Nifty Index Trend Strategy.
Nifty Index Trend Strategy. We have created a thing. We are on Zoom side, so okay. Now, what we did was that we wanted that when do we enter the stock, right? We checked if you want to sell. So there are 3 entries. Vikas, can you write the 3 entries on an Excel sheet?
Yeah.
So this is one call we created so that you can to get a hit ratio of about 80%. So there are 3 entry points for Nifty. Number 1, let's do buy entry first. So between the Friday when the clearing starts, again from the clearing start to any day, I don't know, it may be 5 days, 7 days plus days from clearing start to any number of days. Pro has bought 80,000 contracts. I'll show you, go step by step, when you can take entry in this. Please again remember, it's a high risk trade. The success ratio is 65%. So be careful. You might lose money at 35%. We have made a strategy which works 80%, but you might lose even 20%. Yes, we exited everything on 9th March from this data. This data is so powerful. From clearing start to number of days. So if Pro buys about 80,000 contracts net, I'll show you.
In website.
No, यहीं लिखो ना एक बार पहले. Now, Nifty trend meter में दिखाओ. What do you mean by this? Now, what is the meaning of this? Please check.
Trend data or meter?
Meter में नहीं, trend data. वही meter के पहले. Go to meter and click data.
The expiry started on 25th June.
So expiry started on 25th of June.
When Pro was 18,000 positive.
The Pro was
18,000 positive.
Yeah, 26,000 positive. When did the buy call come?
Buy call came on this when Pro was 1 lakh contract positive.
So Pro was 1 lakh contract positive. So net, if you see, they were 90,000 contract positive. 18,000 to 1 lakh 8,000. They were 90,000 contract positive. So what we have seen in the back research, when they buy 80,000 net contract, 80,000 net contract is how much value? Vikash, can you show them an Excel? 80,000 contract. This will also have Bank Nifty into it. So half kar dete hain because we don't have the data, but we checked about 75% is Nifty, 25% is Bank Nifty. So 60,000 and 20,000 kar de. 60,000 into 75 into 10,000. 10,500 na. 11,000 kar de. And 20,000 into 4,950 crores. एंड बैंक निफ्टी निफ्टी कर दे बेटा, छोट उसको फॉर्मूला रहने देना बेटा.
हाँ.
Let them see the formula ना, don't repeat the formula. Yeah. Next slide में कर. Yeah.
Next. Okay.
निफ्टी लिख दे बगल में, नहीं हट जा रहा है ना फॉर्मूला.
हाँ करते रहो.
करोड्स लिख दे. एंड बैंक निफ्टी कर दे 20,000 इंटू, बैंक निफ्टी का लॉट से कर दे, बैंक निफ्टी का लॉट एंड प्राइस.
Lot is I think 25. 20,000. The price is 25. 22,000.
$25.
20. Somebody said it. 20.
वो चेंज कर दिया ना. Bank Nifty has been changed to 25 from 20 with effect from beginning of July series.
Okay.
Yeah, 25 from July series change हो गया है. I hope you guys understand this. Who understood this formula? It doesn't matter what is it, just for how much total is. समझा दीजिए. So मोटा मोटी जब 80,000 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट खरीदते हैं, they have bought about 6,000 crore rupees of options. Praveen ji, we are discussing Nifty here. We are not discussing stocks today. So basically what we have understood is कि अगर 6,000 करोड़ का माल क्लियरिंग स्टार्ट होने के बाद, फिर से दिखा दो विकास, क्लियरिंग स्टार्ट हुआ था कितना था, फिर 1 लाख हो गए. $18,000 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट का देखिए, और यहां पर 1 लाख हुआ. एक डेट ठीक से कर दे बेटा. हाँ, 1 जुलाई को. तो यहां पर बाय कॉल आया, तो हम लोग ने 2 तारीख को बाय कॉल दिया था. प्रीवियस पेज वंस मोर नीचे आ. हाँ, तो एक दिन में खरीदते तो आ जाएगा तेज सिंह जी. क्लियरिंग के बाद नेट पोजीशन, फिर मैं बोल रहा हूं, क्लियरिंग जब स्टार्ट होता है वहां से हमको स्टार्ट करना है. 18,000 से लेके 1 लाख में अगर आप देखेंगे, तुम्हारा फाइल और कहीं है बेटा. हाँ, या प्लीज पुट योर कर्सर प्रॉपर्ली विकास. 1,08,000 देखेंगे तो 90,000 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट खरीदा है. सो हम लोग ने हिस्टोरिकल सर्च किया कि जब भी प्रो 70-80,000 खरीद लेता है या 70-80,000 बेच देता है, वो क्लियरिंग में बाजार तेज या मंदा ही रहता है. सो हम लोग ने ऐसा स्टडी किया अबाउट 54 क्लियरिंग्स कि क्लियरिंग के बाद हमें देखना है कितना कॉन्ट्रैक्ट वो परचेस करता है या कितना कॉन्ट्रैक्ट सेल करता है. तो बाय में हम लोग देखें कि बाय में तो आप पूरा क्लियरिंग तक सौदा रख लीजिए, बट सेल में 2-3 दिन में सौदा काट लीजिए. डिड यू गेट एवरीबडी? अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, बाय में तो आप पूरा क्लियरिंग सौदा रख लीजिए, बट सेल में 3-4 दिन में काट लीजिए. Previous Excel once more, please. What do you want in previous Excel? Means what, Mr. Kunjan? What is your question, Mr. Kunjan? इनको मिस्टर कुंजन को लो ना एक बार फोन में, नहीं समझा मीन्स क्या हुआ.
हाँ.
Even the panelists, we don't give any tips intraday, Mr. Pankaj.
Yeah, Kunjan, you can speak.
Yes, Mr. Kunjan.
या चलिए जी, गुड इवनिंग।
गुड इवनिंग, बोलिए।
या मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि मतलब आप बोल रहे हैं कि मतलब कि 70,000 से ऊपर प्रो ने ओपन इंटरेस्ट में क्लियरिंग के टाइम पे बाय किया, तो फिर हमें को बाय करना है एंड वी कैन हैव टिल एक्सपायरी।
यस,
बट दी उन्होंने शॉर्ट किया और माइनस में 70,000 के ऊपर चला गया, तो हमको 3-4 दिन में निकल जाना है।
यस,
मतलब शॉर्ट करो उस दिन और फिर 4 दिन में निकल जाओ, 3-4 दिन में निकल जाओ।
हाँ, वही हम लोग का हिस्टोरिकल यही बताता है।
राइट, बट ओनली जो कोरोना केस में हुआ बस वो थोड़ा अलग था, राइट? मतलब दैट इज द
वो थोड़ा डिफरेंट था, बट ये मोटा मोटी काम कर रहा है। कोरोना में तो बहुत अच्छा पैसा बना, इतना बड़ा सेल कर दिया था, बाजार गिरता ही रहा।
राइट राइट, ओके, अंडरस्टूड। बिकॉज लास्ट टाइम आपने कहा था कि वो 1 लाख से यदि ऊपर शॉर्ट कर रहा है तो वी हैव टू कीप टिल मंथ एक्सपायरी।
नहीं, लेकिन आप हम लोग अभी क्या बाय में मंथ एक्सपायरी रखिए, बट
हाँ।
सेल में हम लोग देखते हैं कि सेल में 3-4 दिन में बुक करना भी ठीक है।
ओके,
इस सेल में सेल प्रेशर बहुत रहता है,
करेक्ट,
और बाय आराम से रख सकते हैं आप।
ठीक है, डन।
यस मिस्टर स्मिथ, श्वेता, यू वांट टू स्पीक समथिंग? क्यूमुलेटिव मितेश, क्यूमुलेटिव 18,000 क्यूमुलेटिव देखना है हम लोग को प्रो में। तो क्लियरिंग में 18,000 था, और ये एवरीडे का क्यूमुलेटिव फिगर्स है, टोटल पोजीशन है मार्केट का। 18,000 to 1,08,000 मतलब दे हैव बॉट इन द मार्केट। सो बेसिकली व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू से इज दैट अगर आप इसको फॉलो करते हैं तो यू आर मोर करेक्ट इन द मार्केट। बट इसमें ट्रेडिंग करने के लिए आपको जो हम लोग का स्ट्रेटजी है, नो इट्स 18,000। कैन यू पुट श्वेता ऑन लाइन? श्वेता, कैन यू कम ऑन लाइन प्लीज वंस? It is only pro or F2 plus pro. Put Mr. Gupta also online.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll show panic day data yes also. Yes, after the expiry. That's correct, Mr. Guru Prasad. Correct.
Yes, Sweta ji can speak now.
Hello, sir. It's 18,000 contracts or 80,000 contracts?
It's 80,000 contracts. 18,000 to 1,08,000. You see, I'm marking it.
Okay, okay. That,
80,000 to 1,08,000. Can you see this?
okay, okay,
If
okay.
you mind, then it's become 90,000 contracts.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Yes. Gupta sir can speak now.
Yes, Gupta ji, बोलिए. गुप्ता जी बोलिए. बैक टेस्टेड अनुपम जी 80,000 कि 4-5 हजार करोड़ का माल खरीदने से वो फिर क्लियरिंग का एक मोमेंटम बन जाता है. सो वी बैक टेस्टेड इट कि 70-80,000 में अच्छा ट्रेंड बनता है फॉर दैट क्लियरिंग. हाउ टू प्रिडिक्ट? गुप्ता जी, या वी गेव अ बाय कॉल ऑन सेकंड, दैट्स करेक्ट. 25th तो बाजार खत्म हो गया ना, जीरो हो गया पोजीशन. मिस्टर डेल 25 जून सब जीरो हो गया था, तो उसको देखना नहीं है. 25 जून वाज क्लियरिंग डे, उस दिन कुछ नहीं देखना है. क्लियरिंग से स्टार्टिंग के देखना है. बोथ पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव. अनुपम जी, पॉजिटिव है तो पॉजिटिव खेलेंगे क्लियरिंग तक, नेगेटिव है तो उसको जल्दी 3-4-5 दिन में काट लीजिए. Yeah, we'll see if we can give you recording, Manjunath. Okay, Gupta ji को line मिलो ना. Gupta ji, can you come on line?
Yeah, Gupta ji can speak.
Yes, Gupta ji. Sir, please, can you speak, sir?
I think कुछ line में connection है, not there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you ask your question again, Mr. Gupta? Gupta ji, are you calling me? Kunjan Gupta also wanted to speak. No, I'm calling on Mr. R.K. Gupta.
Yeah, he has written.
Don't do that, Mr. Guru Prasad. Don't do that. Buying stocks is a different strategy.
R.K. Gupta ji has written his query.
Is it only pro? It is only pro right now. F2 Pro, you should study 1,10,000 contract. Whichever comes before. I have one important question. Yes, Mitesh, can you put Mitesh online?
Yeah.
After expiry, Mr. Kunjan Gupta, after expiry के start से start करने का है. Can you put Mitesh online?
Yeah, sir. Hello.
हाँ बोलिए Mitesh जी.
Yeah, this is combined data of Bank Nifty and Nifty, correct?
Yes, correct.
And the question is that don't you think that since Bank Nifty has higher weightage, the Nifty buy call at times wouldn't work because at times Bank Nifty does not perform or underperform.
मैं दिखा देता हूँ historically. विकास strategy में दिखा दे क्या हुआ historical.
Up to now, Bank Nifty has underperformed.
No, you just square off the Galaxy Note 9. अगर एक बार बाय कॉल आता है आप सिर्फ स्क्वायर ऑफ कर सकते हैं, बट उसके बाद फिर से बाय हो गया बाजार. अगर आप देखेंगे वी स्क्वायर्ड ऑफ एंड वी शुड बाय अगेन. मिस्टर गैलेक्सी नोट 9, because we are in greed cycle. I showed you Mr. Datta Kumawat. We are already in greed cycle. So you have to know the greed cycle. Can you show him the greed cycle to Datta Kumawat? So they are doing profit taking. If they bought, now it is profit booking also, Mr. Datta Kumawat. Okay, so the total position shows also greed. So you have to balance the strategy and also the previous strategy. That is why I went step by step. Does that answer your question, Mr. Datta Kumawat? Okay, got it. Good. So it's a balance. They start booking profits also. It's a short-term trading. वो शेयर खरीदते हैं, प्रॉफिट भी बुक करते हैं, इसलिए आप लोग फंस जाते हैं. आप लोग जब डेटा उन लोग तो कल खरीद लिए थे लो में, और आप बुकिंग करने आप खरीदने जा रहे हैं तो लोग बेच दे रहे हैं, इसीलिए दोनों को स्टडी करना पड़ेगा. We have tested 53 clearings. उसमें 43, Vikas keep marking please. 43 clearings. We have made profits from this strategy, and we have lost money in 10 clearings. So the hit ratio is 81%. So you will lose money, huh? You will lose money. We have lost 500 points also one time. So please be very careful. Cash buying इसे कुछ नहीं देखते हम लोग. This is the Nifty trend strategy, Mr. Ravindra. We are not discussing any other strategy here. We are not discussing stocks. We are only discussing Nifty trend strategy. और बगल में Nifty, Bank Nifty का डेटा दिया हुआ आप देख लीजिए. Bank Nifty data is also given. So it's the strike ratio, Mitesh, 72% in Bank Nifty on the same data. Mitesh ji? Mr. Mitesh Shah.
Hello.
हाँ देखिए 72% success ratio है. Yes, yes, Mr. Shah. Hello.
72%. Hello.
हाँ ये सेम डेटा में निफ्टी में 81% सक्सेस रेशियो है, बैंक निफ्टी में 72% है. आप स्क्रीन देख पा रहे हैं?
Yes.
तो सेम डेटा में निफ्टी में 81% सक्सेस रेशियो है, सेम डेटा में बैंक निफ्टी में 72% है.
So that's what I was trying to understand. Basically, Bank Nifty is still underperforming Nifty.
वो इंडिया आप वो 3-4 दिन का डेटा मत देखें, मैं आपको 5 साल का हिस्ट्री दिखा रहा हूँ. I am showing you 5-year history. Don't tell me 5 days history. It doesn't work. 5 साल में ये डेटा में 81% रेशियो है सक्सेस इन, इसमें 72% है बैंक निफ्टी में.
Okay.
मैं 5 साल का आपको हिस्टोरिकल दे रहा हूँ.
Right.
Yes, 53 months. Yeah, this is for one lot, Shweta ji, correct. Yes, you can lose 500 points also, Mr. Dell. Sometimes it may happen also like that. It is possible. So it is a very, very highly risky strategy. Again, I'm repeating to everyone. Is my screen visible to anyone? Why should your screen be visible? MJ. Pro data was negative on 14 July. No, it is not a sell. It is a profit book. So 2 जुलाई को खरीदा, 14 जुलाई को बेचा. हम लोग ने सेल किया था, लेकिन हम लोग को लॉस लग गया. तो हम लोग ने टेस्ट किया कि नहीं करना चाहिए. Usually the waiting period is, if you buy, Vivek, you hold it till the end of the clearing. But if you sell, you book your profits in 4-5 days. That is what it shows. Stop loss we have not decided because हम लोग intraday नहीं कर रहे हैं. We wanted a full clearing strategy. Okay, so we are ending. I think so. We have been. I hope this session was beneficial to you. Did you learn something? No strategy for intraday. We don't teach any intraday. We don't teach any intraday strategies, Pankaj ji. Yes, Deepak Naran ji, you can ask. You have to be a customer to get the recording, Vivek ji. If you are a customer, we'll just send the recording to all the paid customers. Huh? If you are a paid customer, you can get the recording. You taught only 1 entry instead of 3. Yes. So there is there are 2 entries I taught. One is buy entry, one is sell entry. Correct? And another entry is, we can just show another entry, buy fear. No, in the trend meter.
Okay.
Yes, Mr. So, and all paid customers will get the video recording. We'll send you the recording to paid customers. So these are very precious data, sir. So we expect that if you understand this strategy, you will buy the strategy. There's a lot of benefit, Mr. Nandish, lot of benefits if you buy my app. Yes. Kamal and Prateek, if they are online, please give the recording to all paid customers. Yeah, this is what it is actually. You know, I could give you everything in 1 hour. Anand Khetan ko unmute karo, please. And Deepak Narang wants to speak. Deepak Narang and Anand Khetan. Nandish ji ko phone kar lena, Kamal Aji. Explain him about it. Haan.
Yeah, Anand Khetan, you can speak now.
Hello. Yes, Anand ji. Abhi, please unmute yourself, Anand ji. And Deepak Narang ko bhi le lo. Yes, Anand ji. बोलिए.
हेलो सर, मेरा ये क्वेश्चन है कि ये जो आपका निफ्टी का ट्रेंड मीटर है, ये तो मैं फॉलो करता हूँ. ये इसमें आप वो जो FII की पोजीशन के बेसिस पे ग्रीड और बाई और सेल वो हम लोग देख लेते हैं. अभी जो इसमें आपने प्रो का बताया, तो जब मंथ एंड से जब वो 80,000 ऐड हो जाएंगे, देन वी शुड बाई द सेम.
राइट.
में क्या FII का भी डाटा दोनों को कोरिलेट करके करना है या सिर्फ प्रो को?
अगर प्रो का 80,000 भी काम करता है और प्रो और FI का 1,10,000 दोनों मिला के.
Whichever is earlier.
मतलब सर एक बार ये बता दीजिए. प्रो 1,10,000.
प्रो अगर प्रो का इंडिविजुअल भी अगर 80,000 हो जाता है तो बाय कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. और प्रो और F2 मिला के 1,10,000 होता है तो भी बाय कर सकते हैं.
ओके. और सर फिर वो पूरे महीने के लिए we can be long.
Yeah, you can be long for the whole month. Yes.
और सर एक बार इसमें सेल पार्ट जो बताया था वो मिस हो गया सर. वो वॉइस नहीं आ रही.
सेल पार्ट 70,000 बेचता है तो सेम चीज 70,000 बेचता है तो सेल कर दीजिए.
मंथ एंड से अगर 70,000 माइनस कर देते हैं प्रो.
राइट.
और
मंथ एंड से नहीं, मंथ स्टार्टिंग से बोलेंगे तो बेटर रहेगा.
ओके. जो मंथ स्टार्टिंग के बाद अगर जैसे ही -70 कर दिया तो वी कैन सेल.
यस, बट 3-4 दिन में स्क्वायर ऑफ कर लीजिए.
ओके.
उसको मंथ एंड तक रखेंगे तो थोड़ा वॉलेटाइल हो जाता है.
Can I speak now, sir?
यस प्लीज.
सर एक बार वो डाटा दिखाएंगे जहाँ पे आपने दिखाया था 18,000 से 1,08,000 जा रहा था.
हाँ दिखाते हैं. Yes, obviously, Mr. Vivek Doshi, you have to see the data. You can make your data yourself, or you can be a customer and see the data on my app.
सर जैसे 1 जुलाई को ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट जो थे 1,08,000 हुए, राइट?
हाँ,
और यहाँ पे हमने बाइंग पोजीशन बनाई, बट एज यू सी ऑन द सेकंड इट रिड्यूस्ड.
कोई बात नहीं है, एक बार बाय बने से अभी 42 जा रहे हो तो थोड़ा तो प्रॉफिट बुकिंग आएगा ही, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं.
ओके, बट ऑन द 13 जुलाई इट्स ट्रेंड हैज बीन चेंज टू 1,39,000.
ट्रेंड वो वहाँ प्रॉफिट बुकिंग होता है, बाय का ट्रेंड फिर देखे तुरंत बाय आ गया एक दिन बाद.
सॉरी.
बाय अगर एक बार ट्रेंड बन जाता है
ओके
तो आप सिर्फ प्रॉफिट बुकिंग करिएगा, सेल मत करिएगा.
ओके
महीना में एक ही कॉल लीजिए, ज्यादा कॉल लेने जाएंगे तो प्रॉब्लम होगा.
ओके, तो मतलब एक बार बाई ले लिया तो उसको टिल एक्सपायरी तक होल्ड रखना है.
अगर बेटर है, अगर बुक करना है, जेकर प्रो बेच दिया तो बुक कर लीजिए प्रॉफिट, क्योंकि वो भी प्रॉफिट बुक कर रहा है. देखिए वो प्रॉफिट बुक किया फिर बाय कर लिया, देखा आपने? पहले 1 लाख खरीदा, फिर 1 लाख बेच दिया, फिर वापस खरीद लिया.
ओके, ऑन 21 जुलाई है, राइट?
हाँ. और
ओके
फिर आज से अगर देखेंगे, फिर आज से प्रॉफिट बुकिंग चालू कर दिए.
ओके ओके ओके.
ये लोग तो प्रॉफिट बुक भी करते रहते हैं ना, खरीदते हैं प्रॉफिट बुक कर लेते, उसमें हम लोग फंस जाते हैं.
ओके राइट. सो वी
ट्रेंड
नीड
चेंज नहीं होता है, ट्रेंड चेंज नहीं होता, प्रॉफिट बुकिंग करते हैं. देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन ट्रेंड चेंज टू सेल एंड प्रॉफिट बुकिंग.
ओके, तो ट्रेंड चेंज हम कब मानेंगे फिर?
ट्रेंड जब क्लियरिंग के स्टार्टिंग में जब वो 70,000 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बेचेगा,
ओके ओके, तब वो ट्रेंड चेंज माना जाएगा.
ट्रेंड चेंज नहीं है, वो ट्रेंड फिर सेल होगा उस क्लियरिंग में.
ओके ओके ओके,
लेकिन सेल में 4-5 दिन में स्क्वायर ऑफ कर लीजिए.
राइट राइट राइट. सर ऐसा क्यों है कि सेल में 4-5 दिन में स्क्वायर ऑफ करना है?
क्योंकि सेल का ट्रेंड के बाद सेल में बहुत जल्दी बाजार गिर जाता है.
ओके
सेल में जल्दी गिरता है, और 4-5 दिन गिरने के बाद मार्केट में बहुत अच्छे शेयर, बहुत अच्छे अट्रैक्टिव भाव में मिलते हैं.
राइट राइट.
तो सब लोग वापस से शेयर में खरीदने लग जाते हैं. तो जब शेयर खरीदते हैं तो निफ्टी भी बढ़ जाता है.
ओके, थैंक यू सर.
ठीक है. नो अभिषेक जी, ओनली प्रो का ही 70,000 बेच दीजिए. F2 प्रो 1,10,000. अभिषेक जी, कैन यू शो? यही तो सैंपल कॉल दिखाया ना, गैलेक्सी नोट, यही तो दिखाया 1 जुलाई को बाय हुआ था. आई शोड यू गैलेक्सी नोट 1 जुलाई वाज अ बाय. फिर से दिखा दो भाई. 18,000 से 1,08,000 हो गया, 90,000 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बाय हो गया. Yes, we give all entry prices, exit prices with data in the strategy. If you become a customer, then you can follow us. Value stocks, Kohli, Sudhir ji, it's a value stocks. Value stocks. This is the call we gave. We square up. हम लोग सब देते हैं. कुंजन गुप्ता को अनम्यूट करो प्लीज. कुंजन जी को अपलोड अनम्यूट करो.
हाँ.
सेल साइड में 1,10,000. आनंद जी 1,10,000.
Kunjan Gupta ji can speak now.
यस कुंजन जी बोलिए.
नरेश जी, तो मतलब एक्सपायरी खत्म हो गई, उसके बाद मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया डेटा को, तो जो पहला जो मुझे सिग्नल मिलेगा 80,000 का प्रो वाला, उसमें मैं अब मान लो मुझसे मिस हो गया, और फिर मुझे आगे फिर से मुझे दिखता है बाद में 80,000 प्लस का.
मिस हो गया, भूल जाइए, फिर वो क्लियरिंग गया.
अच्छा, वो गया, मतलब जो पहला जो मिलता है उसी में करना है.
हाँ, नहीं तो मिस हो जाएगा, बाजार बहुत जल्दी बढ़ जाती है.
ओके, तो मतलब नेक्स्ट 80,000 फिर से दिखाता है, तो उसमें मतलब नहीं.
फिर वो अगला महीना ही दिखाएगा ना, अब तो इस महीना दिखाएगा नहीं.
ओके ओके. और जो आपने बोला कि उसमें वो बाय कर लेता है, फिर बेच देता है, फिर बाय कर लेता है, तो उस ट्रेंड को हम एवरीडे ऑब्जर्व करते हैं, तो उसके हिसाब से
बहुत मुश्किल है करना, इसीलिए बाय में पूरा क्लियरिंग रखिए.
ओके ओके, डन. और सेलिंग के टाइम पे सेल कर दे, जब सेल कर रहा है
सेल करके 4-5 दिन में बुक कर लीजिए.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ बाय कर लिया और आप फिर उसने सेल कर दिया, प्रो ने सेल कर दिया,
आप भी बुक कर लीजिए, सेल मत करिए, आप सिर्फ प्रॉफिट बुक कर लीजिए, बस करना है.
मतलब मैं लॉट ज्यादा ले लूं और एक लॉट को निकाल दूं.
हाँ, प्रॉफिट बुक कर लीजिए बस.
अच्छा, ओके.
मिस्टर श्याम समुद्र, हैव यू बॉट निफ्टी स्ट्रेटजी और अदर स्ट्रेटजी?
और सर आप इसको रिस्की क्यों?
हाँ, क्या बोल रहे हैं कुंजन जी, क्या बोल रहे हैं? ओके, श्याम सुंदर जी, क्या क्वेश्चन है? आई एम अ पेड कस्टमर मींस पेड कस्टमर ऑफ निफ्टी ट्रेंड स्ट्रेटजी. तमाल इसे श्याम समुद्र कस्टमर ऑफ निफ्टी ट्रेंड. If you are a Nifty trend customer, then you will get Nifty strategies, Mr. Sham Samudra. Can you put Sham Samudra online? Tamal, can you check if Shyam Samudra is Nifty trend? Just pay in the app, Mr. Manjunath Rao. Tamal, अभी फोन करके मंजुनाथ राव को समझा देना ना प्लीज. Mr. Shyam Samudra, you're not a customer of Nifty trend. You're a customer of mid cap price movement.
Yes, Shyam Samudra, you can speak.
Mr. Shyam Samudra. Hello. Mr. Shyam Samudra, you are not a customer of Nifty trend strategy. You have to buy that strategy. Kamal, give a call today only Manjunath ji and usko kal ke khatam karo. Manjunath ji, my person will call you. Can you show the buy sell triggered with entry exit price again? Couldn't see the data in time. In buy sell triggered. दिखाया तो सर आपको मैंने 18,000 से 1,08,000 हुआ तो बाय कर लिया. मैं नहीं समझा क्या क्वेश्चन है उनका गैलेक्सी में. प्राइसेस दिखा देना बाय का जुलाई का. कमाल, प्लीज गिव अ कॉल टू श्याम समुद्र. यू विल बाय टुडे. आज ही खरीद ले, उनको फोन कर लेना. यू नॉट रिप्लाई अबाउट योर 3 days सेमिनार. व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? उदय जी को लाइन में लो ना. व्हाट इज दिस क्वेश्चन? उदय जी को लाइन में लेना प्लीज.
Yeah.
He is also asking on Excel which you showed. Yes, Mr. Uday Desai.
Yes, Uday ji can speak now.
Yes, Uday ji.
Uday ji.
Uday ji, what is your question, please? He can't speak. He is asking on Excel which you showed. I also missed the last part. What Excel? Mitesh, can you put Mitesh online, please? Uday ji, if you want to, you have to unmute and talk.
Yeah, Mitesh ji can speak now.
Yes, Mitesh ji.
सर आपने जो एक्सेल में बताया था ना, उसकी बात कर रहा हूँ. एक्सेल शीट में
दिखाया तो आपको एक्सेल पहले मैंने, और क्या दिखाऊं?
मेरा थोड़ा ये मिस हो गया एक्चुअली.
मिस हो गया? क्या मिस हुआ है? वापिस एक्सेल बुक में.
नहीं, हाँ, वो खाली लास्ट पार्ट जो था ना, जहाँ पे आपने, हाँ, ये वाला, यहाँ से स्टार्टिंग कीजिए ना, ऊपर से जो था वो
60,000 और 80,000 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट खरीदा है. उसकी निफ्टी मोटा मोटी 60,000 रहता है, बैंक निफ्टी रहता है. तो हम लोग देखते हैं जब 5-6 हजार करोड़ का माल खरीद लेता है तो पूरा क्लियरिंग तेज रहता है बाजार. 80,000 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट समझ में आ गया ना? हाँ,
आई गॉट इट सर.
80,000 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट का वैल्यू 5-6 हजार करोड़ है ना, हम ये बोल रहे हैं.
करेक्ट करेक्ट.
What are you covering in 3 days? नहीं समझा. What is your क्या क्वेश्चन है? उदय जी, I don't understand. Which are product? उदय जी को लाइन में लेना है.
Yeah, Uday ji taken, but we will not be able to.
उदय जी, I don't understand. What are you covering in 3 days? अरे जो माल बेचा है उसको 3-4 दिन में कवर कर रहे हैं. निफ्टी अगर बाय करता है तो क्लियरिंग तक रख लीजिए, बट सेल करते हैं तो 4-5 दिन में प्रॉफिट बुक कर लीजिए. वो बोल रहा था मैं.
Yes, Uday ji can
If you want to speak, you have to unmute. मैं आपका क्वेश्चन नहीं समझ पा रहा हूँ.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
हाँ बोलिए उदय जी.
I want to attend that seminar for 3 days. So
मेरा
what?
5 डे का सेमिनार है उदय जी, 3 दिन का नहीं है.
5 दिन का.
हाँ, 5 दिन का है, 3 तारीख से 7 तारीख.
Yeah, right. So what we are going to cover?
उसमें पूरा स्टॉक्स के बारे में कवर करेंगे. दिखा दो विकास. कमाल, प्लीज सेंड इट टू ऑल द पीपल ना. द 5 डे का ये देखो, मैं दिखाता हूँ क्या कवर करेंगे. ये सब कवर करेंगे. कैसे स्टॉक चुनते हैं, कैसे स्ट्रेटजी बनाते हैं, कैसे पोर्टफोलियो बनाते हैं.
Okay.
कौन सा शेयर सस्ता है, महंगा है.
Okay.
ये बेसिकली प्रोग्राम है पूरा स्टॉक्स के बारे में.
Okay. So because I am the paid customer, I have to pay 5,000, not
Yes, you have to pay
5,000.
5,000. Correct. That's correct.
Okay, fine. I will pay for that.
Okay. प्रतीक, उनको फोन कर लेना. उदय जी को, वो रजिस्टर करना चाहते हैं प्रोग्राम के लिए.
Okay, thank you.
So anybody wants some free training, उनको और निफ्टी का क्वेश्चन समझना है तो अपना नंबर तो है मेरे पास, नंबर दे दीजिए, so they can call you first today only if you want. तमाल आज ही फोन कर लेना 2-3 कस्टमर को जिसको चाहिए, उदय जी हैं और जो है. If somebody wants some call, we can give you understand, they can make you understand the strategy. So we are closing for the day. I hope we have been helpful. Was it helpful, the session? Please call up Anita ji also. Was it helpful? समझ में आया आपको?
Yes, Anita ji can speak.
Yes, Anupama ji, are you Anu? If you are a paid customer, you will get the video recording. Okay. Anybody else has any questions? Should we close? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes, if you play then you will get the recording, Anupam ji. Recording is available for paid customers only. थोड़ा थोड़ा समझाए, टाइम लगता है सर, केसमल जी इतना इजी नहीं है. 2-3 बार करेगा तो हो जाएगा. Anybody wants any training, किसी को प्रोडक्ट समझना है, हम लोग के बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट हैं. सो तमाम जो पेड कस्टमर है सबको रिकॉर्डिंग भेज देना. हम लोग का ट्रेनिंग है, तेज जी आप आइए, हम लोग ऐसे ही कर देंगे आपके लिए. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू वेरी मच. Free training not for, yes, you can take 1 hour again, free training 1-to-1 with my person Anita ji. Send details of your products. श्रीनिवास जी को बात कर लो, तमाल श्रीनिवास जी से बात कर लो जो नाम हम दे रहे हैं. ट्रेनिंग तेज जी को 5 डे का ट्रेनिंग करना है. तमाल आज ही साइन करा लो, तेज जी को 5 डे का ट्रेनिंग करना है. विकास तुम भी नोट कर लो 5-6 नाम जो था, मंजुनाथ जी, तेज जी, उदय जी, थोड़ा नोट करके भजा दो प्लीज उसको. प्रतीक है क्या लाइन पे? ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच एवरीबॉडी, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू. नंदीश जी को कांटेक्ट कर लो, नंदीश जी ऑल्सो इंटरेस्टेड, 5-7 पीपल है इंटरेस्टेड, उनको कांटेक्ट कर लो. थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू.